Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of syncing contacts. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you are scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.